Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing another Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on that beta script they put out. On my earlier video, what I did was I had a truck going down the highway, and I tracked it, and I pinned an image to the motion track. In this video, we're going to pin a video to the motion track. So I'll show you how it's done. So here we have a video of a monument of some sort. And we're going to put fire in the ground. First of all, let's go to Video Effects. Go to Bezier Masking, if I'm pronouncing that right. So let's track this stone in the wall right at the bottom here. Get a nice good track on that. See what I'm doing there? That's good. I do a track. Okay, tracking is done. Now let's get the video footage of flames. Go to Picture in Picture. And let's move this right down to the area we tracked. Highlight both clips with the control key down. Go to Tools, Scripting, and here's the beta script right here. Copy motion track to Picture in Picture. Click that, and you play it back. It tracks the fire. When it's rendered, it's a lot smoother. Right now, it's still choppy because the file sizes are fairly large. There's still some bugs we worked out in the script, but once the script is finished, they're going to put a new build out of Vegas Pro 16, and once that's out, I'll let you guys know when to download it, or if there's any other new features they're going to put in there. I'll put new videos out about those new features. So with people running Vegas 16 Pro, it's exciting times because they're doing lots of work on motion tracking in Vegas Pro 16. So it's going to get better and better for us as newer builds come out. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.